ja estic cansat de tot. Tu t'imagines anar de vacances a Mallorca?
Estaria bé.
Every day it's Sunday in Mallorca. Every night the stars shine in the sky. Every moment the weather is Mallorca. Everything is wonderful. When the kisses grow flowers in Mallorca. When the birds are singing lovely songs. Everyone is happy in Mallorca. I have found the paradise of love. No llueve ni una gota y hace mucho calor. No duermes por las noches.
Hotels Moranta i Andrés, digueu-me.